Hi, I'm Ben Russell-Smith, Managing Director and founder of the company Laser in the UK, and of course our US brand R Lights based out of Arizona. Today I'm going to talk to you about the LR24 Elite Plus product and the LR1250 Elite Plus, and I can't wait to tell you some of the features and benefits. So the concept for these products really came from the US. We were beginning to see some sales into the US, and we wanted to develop a product that was well suited to some of the desert racing that's going on out there. And that is really where the concept was born. So when racing the Baja 1000 or the Mint 400, you know, what we were told by the race teams out there is they wanted a product which could give them huge long distance performance. Well, for us, we're pretty familiar with making lights that have got this level of distance, but the point was they wanted a product where when it's dusty, then they wanted a way to cut through that dust and really see the road ahead clearly. So these products have got some unique features in them that make them absolutely perfect for those kind of motorsport applications that we see in the States. So these products have 4 different modes. They've got a boost mode where we've got this huge long distance performance coming from the white light. As well as that, we've then got a low output mode. So if you're wanting to reduce a little bit the intensity of the light which is coming out of the product, you can run it at just 20% output. If the trail is kicking up a whole load of dust, you can switch straight away to yellow light. So we've got a PC yellow color which has been carefully selected to give optimum performance, and as proven by some of the race teams in the States that are using our lights, and of course our local team there in Arizona. In case you want maximum lumens coming out of the product, you can activate your yellow and your white light together. Those 2 colors combine, it gives you a really nice warm color, and the high color rendering index that we have on these products, on the LEDs, you're able to see everything that's going on the trail ahead. So you're able to very clearly distinguish between some of the darker patches, some of the greener patches, and so on. How do we flick between the modes? Well, for that we've got a push button switch, and there's a memory function in the lamp that remembers which mode you were in. So for example, if you're running this big lamp and you were running it in yellow because let's say it was snowing, you turn your car off, you go into your house. When you come back the next day, if you still want it in yellow mode, well, good news, it's remembered that that's the mode you're on. So the R Elite Plus product range, of course, comes in these 2 sizes, the 1250 and the 24. The 24 is actually 44 inches long. So this is the perfect product for roof mounting in terms of there being no glare on the hood. The LEDs are facing a little bit rearwards, and the light coming from the LED is hitting the reflector and going straight forward. So there's no downward lighting. So the 1 lux line on these products is very far. We've got a product here which can get over 1,000 meters. So 1 lux, that's enough to read a newspaper. It's punching that out all the way to 1,072 meters. The R1250 Elite Plus, we've got 1 lux getting to over 730 meters. So serious distance, but it's not all about the distance. We've also got spread. So the beam angle on these products, we're achieving 54 degrees of spread. That means 27 degrees left of center line and 27 degrees right of center line. And the nice thing about that width is that actually we've got quite a narrow up-down performance. So up-down, we're running at just 15 degrees. So it means you're not getting too much glare on the road immediately in front of you. That light is punching out into the distance exactly where you'd want it. We've got 375 watts of power going into the big 24 Elite. So that is a huge level of power, and that translates to lumens on the road. So this big 24 Elite Plus, we're looking at nearly 35,000 lumens when we're running all of the LEDs in the product. The R1250 Elite Plus, we're looking at around 21,000 lumens, just over 21,000 lumens when this product is running with all the LEDs. So we've got quite a nice solution for the wiring. We've got 2 different connectors going into the product. For the very high power light, we need thick cables, a very heavy duty connector, and that's running all the way into the product. For the signal light, we've got a signal wire going into the super seal connector here, and then the other 2 pins on this super seal connector are the position light. So both of these products have got both white and amber position light. Again, this is a real uniqueness of these products. So some really nice features of the Elite Plus product range are the black circuit boards inside. So the unique element of the black circuit board is that it's enabling the customer to have a very stealth look on the product. So when it's embedded in a grille, you've really got this dark looking appearance from the product, which really then only comes on when you're putting the light on or when you've got the position light running. In case you want a more conventional mounting, the product has got real versatility. We've got a T-slot channel on the top, same on the bottom, and as well we've got M6 fixings on the side. We give the products a 5-year warranty. They are built tough. So the products are IP68, so that means fully submersible to a meter for more than half an hour. And actually, here at our manufacturing site in the UK, when we're building these products, as with all of our products, we are fully submerging them at the end of the production line. So I hope this video gives you a better understanding of the LR Elite Plus product range. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team there in Arizona in case you've got any questions or you'd like more information. We've got lots of information on the website as well. Please check it out. Apart from that, see you next time.